What's up, style babes? It's Tiana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be installing this cute affordable Amazon wig. Like I said, Amazon wig, cute and affordable. If you are interested, make sure you keep on looking and let's get into the video. Today's company is a Amazon hair company. It's Ali's Virgin Human Hair. This is what it came. So this little cute bonnet that has their logo on it. Very cute, simple. This is how the wig is looking straight out of packaging. I didn't bleach the knots, I literally just plucked it a little bit. So we got the Bold Hold Extreme Cream, y'all already know. Nothing new. I'm just looking at my mirror over here. And I'm gonna do layers. So I've already done two. This is my third layer right here. And I always do sections for my wig installs. I feel like it's easier, especially if you have a wig that is a bit snug on you. You should definitely do it in sections. I feel like it'll be easier for you to grip it. And
something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me.
alright, so I am back. I'm about to attempt to do like a side part swoop.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
What's up, style babes? It's Tiana and I am back. So this is the finished results of the hair. I think overall it is cute. The color is definitely it. I love the color. It's very cute. It's different for me. I don't usually get wigs like this, so it's super cute. The only thing that I will say is that the wig is just a little bit thin. It's like a 150, I believe, density. But I already knew that, but yeah, that's how it looks. The back of it looks like this. I will leave everything listed down below, the link that you can purchase this wig. They also have different links as well, but the link that I got is 22 inch. So right now the wig is $126, but they do have a $25 off coupon. So if you add that to your checkout, it'll be $100 for Frontal pre-colored highlighted wig. I think it's super cute. The only thing I will say is that it is just a little bit thin, but overall it is a really cute wig, especially for Amazon, because Amazon wigs are a little bit iffy. So I definitely give this wig a 8 out of 10. I didn't bleach the knots, I literally just plucked it. I did see reviews on Amazon that people did decide to bleach the knots with even more natural, so it really is up to you if you decide to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you are notified every single time that I post a new video. If you are returning, don't forget to like this video. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is Tiandra and my TikTok is TiandraO. I post hair content on there as well. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes.